Okay, so the next thing I want to do, one of the final things I'm going to do is put some transitions in the video. And that just means when I go from one clip to the other, as you can see, it's kind of jerky. This is kind of a traditional transition. Just goes from one picture to the next. And what I want to do is you can make it fade, spin, do all kinds of stuff. I'm going to do a very traditional thing, which is I go to Edit, and then click on Transitions, and I'm going to use a traditional one which is called a cross dissolve. So I take it down here and I lay it on the timeline between the two clips, and now you can see how the clip fades from one to the other, and I can do that anywhere else in the timeline as well. Now the other thing is you'll notice a little red bar appeared, and in fact you've probably had a red bar across your entire video for a while, and what that means is it's unrendered, and so you can play it back and look at it, but the quality doesn't look very good, and so you have to render it if you want to see what it's going to look like when you actually export the video. So the way you render is quite easy. You just hit return on the Mac or enter on the PC, or you can also do it up here in the timeline, say render work area. So in this case it won't take long at all because it's just that one little line that it had to, one little place it had to render, but otherwise it will often take a minute or two to render because it's a big exercise. So anyway, but that's how you add transitions in Premiere Elements.